How to log in on Capital One mobile banking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to log in to Capital One mobile banking, first and foremost make sure you have installed the latest version application on your device. For this, head over to Play Store, search for Capital One and tap on install or update button if available. After that, head over to the application and then you will land to the interface. On this page, you are supposed to provide your username and password. If you have forgotten it, there is an option to access it as well. Tapping on forgotten username or password will take you to the website from where you'll have to provide in your last name, social security number, and date of birth for confirmation. Tap on Find Me to get your username, and after that, you will be required for the verification. And once verification is done, you can reset your password as well. And after that, you can use it to log in into the application. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.